Well, not only is it windy, but it's also chilly, and you don't have to look far to notice just how powerful those wind gusts are. Just take a look behind me. You can see those flags flapping back and forth here in Ramona and across East County. Ramona is one of several communities getting hit by powerful wind gusts. Palm trees swaying, business banners rocking, and flags whipping in every direction.
We do respond to accidents caused by the wind.
CAL FIRE San Diego Captain Robert Johnson explained to me that strong winds can turn dangerous fast. He says high-profile vehicles act like a wind sail, especially along Interstate 8, causing drivers to lose control or even roll over.
So our main concern on this is going to be more the driving hazards as well as flying debris, flying objects. But there is always still that fire danger.
The good news when it comes to the fire hazard, Captain Johnson says recent rain has increased moisture in the brush, lowering the threat of dry fuel throughout the county and the state. But CAL FIRE and San Diego County Fire are staffed and ready to respond in case an emergency breaks out. That includes the aviation resources out of Ramona and at Gillespie Field.
Currently, based off the current conditions that we're seeing, and a lot is due to the increased in the fuel moistures of the brush throughout the county, we have not staffed additional resources for this wind event.
Meantime, the strong winds can snap branches, push debris into roadways, and create dangerous driving conditions. And for residents, a strong reminder to stay alert and watch your surroundings. Anything loose can quickly turn into a hazard.
The high winds do pose increased danger for tree branches to come down or the entire tree itself. So we do want people to be alert if they're outdoors near trees during this wind event.
And CAL FIRE is reminding us to stay prepared, have a to-go bag ready, and make sure that you're keeping a defensible space around your home clear. In Ramona, I'm Esmeralda Perez, CBS 8.